Vector Off-Road, and we're back. We're going to be installing mini UFOs on a JK. We're going to be replacing the footman's loop with the mini UFOs. The first step would be to get under your hood, so you're going to undo the latches on both sides. You're going to pop that latch and then prop open your hood. Okay, before I start installing, I'm going to be putting this down so that nothing falls into the engine compartment. Okay, we're going to be using a 11/32 socket, like so. After you have those unscrewed, you're just going to pop these off. Okay, your next step would be to go ahead and put that screw through the UFO. Make sure you have that pad on there. And put it right through that hole. Now that we have the UFOs in place, we're going to open that hood and put the nuts in. Okay, at this point it's helpful to have a second pair of hands. We're going to be using a 3/8 wrench. I'm going to start that. Okay, once you're finished, you're going to be putting your liner back in, and then that's it for the install.